Hi everyone! In this video, I love to share elements that have personally helped me enhance my experience to feel flow and place in my art practice, which I hope can help you as well. I also invite you to grab your sketchbook, doodle your own things, create along with me as I get into the sketch painting. Get settled in, take your time, give yourself as much time as you need for pop. First, let's acknowledge and get rid of perfection. Let's acknowledge to be patient with this process. Be patient with yourself. Allow yourself not rush and focus on the present moment. This is the time to be with your sketchbook. Give yourself permission. Allow whatever to show up on the page as it will. Remind yourself of the feeling and importance it brings for your soul within to show up and be in. And maybe choose a theme that you love today. No pressure, just focus on what feels good. And thus brings me to the first point. Your environment, your space, the supplies around you should feel pleasant, should feel good, and is the first thing to enhance your experience. Light a candle, use the new supplies you have been wanting to try. Paint a photo you took with your camera. Paint to memory. Focus on what feels really good to you in that moment. And of course, the various is different sections. But one element that I found always help is preparing our supplies at hand. Whatever you are in your creative journey, maybe just keep it super simple for yourself this time. I'm considering myself to be a limited palette today to make it easier for myself, but also trying a new one with more greens and blondes. And that curiosity just gets me excited to create, allowing myself to discover new things in the creative process is another way I create self-discipline and motivate myself. Each creation, each moment is one step towards growth, and I'm glad that we can be growing together. So thank you for creating with me today.